Most people assume that bottled water is safer than tap water and cleaner. That's not always the case. Americans spend between $53 and $74 billion a year on bottled water. That's like $720 to $1,300 a year per household. That's like over $100 to $300 a year per person on bottled water. Can you believe that? Consumers often pay a premium for bottled water without understanding where the bottled water actually comes from, or whether or not how it's been treated or how healthy it really is. Now, the common sources of bottled water. I mean, we see everything from, glaciers to volcanic to, there's buzzwords out there like pristine water, mountain water. It's like these words come out and there's no government control over those. Yes, there's three. There's glacier water, mountain water, and pristine water. There's no FDA looking out for that. In 2004, Dasani settled a claim in England because they said their water was pure. And so they had to recall a ton of water because it was not pure. It actually had bromate in the water. So we moved forward to 2007, and there was a huge backlash in America about bottled water claims. Bottlers were saying that the water was purified and it was reverse osmosis water, when in fact those claims were never proven. So bottlers got away because the FDA controls what bottlers have to say. Now, most water, believe it or not, comes from cities. Yeah, they can have a great picture of mountains, and they can have pictures of streams, and they can have pictures of ice caps and make you feel like, oh my God, this water is fantastic. It's coming from somewhere pure. But that's marketing. The concept is it's sheer marketing. And we've fallen for it as Americans. We look at an image, we say, yes, I'll buy that. But the reality is like most bottlers get the water from city municipal supplies. That's why the FDA, any bottler that buys its water, gets its source water from a city, it meets the FDA requirements. They could just literally bottle it and sell it to you. In fact, some companies just run it through carbon and a water softener and take out that chlorine because that gives it a kind of an awkward taste. And carbon also makes the water just taste a little bit better. It gets the smell out of water. That's why refrigerators all have that little carbon block. It's only this big. But most of them are not certified to take out many of the toxins in the water, or they're not certified at all. So these bottlers basically are doing that to you and to me without your knowledge. And we just look at the image and we can say, wow, I want that one, or I want this one, or I want one from Ireland, or I want one from, this is a water bar, by the way. I built the first water bar in America simply to be able to present to consumers bottled water, because it's become such a gigantic scam in this world. We're just so addicted to grabbing the convenience and hoping that it's better than tap water. But the reality is, just like everything in your life, I believe you have to take little teeny steps every day to become healthy. Whether it's watching what you eat, a little bit of a workout, not buying bottled water and buying a filter system that is designed and certified to take the stuff that's in your water out of it. These little steps make a healthier you. It makes a healthier family. I can't even tell you how many times I walked into people's homes and I'm literally watching a mother with a child, and they're making formula, and they're taking a BPA-free bottle, and yet they're taking bottled water, which is not BPA-free, and they're filling that up, mixing it, and giving it to their child. The federal government did say BPA should not be consumed by people, infants, elderly, people who are immune compromised. So here are some of those things. It's like, riddle me this. Well, all this marketing that you and I get on TV, on magazines, and on radio ads makes us feel like, oh my God, this is safe. But the reality is it's bipolar. The company doesn't say, oh, don't feed this to an infant because it's held in BPA. They should, don't you think? No, so it's your job, your family's job to be vigilant and do a little something every day. You know, I heard a great phrase one time. If you make hard choices every day, your life is easy. If you make easy choices every day, your life is hard. And the analogy I'm trying to explain to you is because water is so intrinsic to human health, that if you're just taking bottled water and consuming it without the knowledge of whether or not it's healthy, well, then you're allowing toxins. You are allowing plastic, which is synthetic estrogen, leaching into your water to get into your body. By the way, if you have friends and family that drink water out of plastic water bottles, please share this video with them. Subscribe to our channel. We'd be super duper grateful. This is how we keep the momentum going on our channel and educating consumers that water is one of the most important things to make a healthy you. Now, to continue on this, if you need to understand more about your water and you'd like to know, like you're addicted to it or you just are so used to it, you love the convenience, you can go to the ewg.org website and you can see their study on which bottlers actually meet certain standards, because they invested thousands and thousands of dollars to test all these guys. Because each test to see what toxins are in it is thousands of dollars, and that non-for-profit not only studied bottled water, tap water, they also study products you put on your skin, because your skin absorbs everything you put on it, right? So it's a great website for you to do a little research on. I urge you to do the research if you're going to stick with bottled water, but if you're looking to kick that bottled water habit, contact us at angelwater.com. You can call us at 847-382-7800. You can reach out to me. As you know, my name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you.